How's it going, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking more about HTML. Now before I do continue on to this video, if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. It just helped me out a lot, and I do appreciate your support. But without further ado, let's get right into the topic. So line breaks. The spacing between code in an HTML file doesn't affect the positioning of elements in the browser. If you're interested in modifying the spacing in the browser, you can use HTML line break with the BR tags. The line break element is unique because it is the only composed of a starting tag. You can use it anywhere within your HTML tag, and a line break will be shown in the browser. For example, if you have a BR right here and a BR right here and you have a BR right here, that means essentially you're breaking here, you're breaking here, and you're breaking here. So notice how in the world is a new line. Kilometers is another new line. Miles is another new line. So I'm gonna keep it short and sweet, but let's add 2 line breaks after the sentence that ends with least concern. So here it says add 2 line breaks. So BR, BR. That looks amazing. Wait, so what happens if we have just one BR? Let me see. So if you have one BR, it just goes right under. But if you put in another BR, it's gonna make it look nicer. Like that. Looks so much nicer. But yeah, like we're slowly but surely building our website. Like, I don't know if you guys been following along since the beginning, but it's really nice. It's really nice to see that the web page has been coming along pretty nicely, and it's starting to grow a little, starting to look better and better. But we're gonna make this really good, so stay tuned for that. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next video and have a great day.